Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is homework 6. And in homework 6, we're going to use the cookbook over here to the right. And in the cookbook, it'll give us certain directions on how to connect Adempiere to Postgres and create new data objects and GUI objects. And we're going to create 3 GUI objects and data objects called emergency police reports, cruiser locations, and police officers. So each one of those will have these certain characteristics here within the tables. And right now I'm going to just simply show you that I have created and done those things. So now if you look at my Postgres, I have in the Adempiere database, also in the Adempiere schema, there are a great deal of tables here, and I have created three of those tables, which are the data objects, and one of them is called the Sea Cruiser. That's what I titled it right here. I've highlighted it, and now over here you can see the little SQL statement that I had to create to specifically create the titles or categories in my Adempiere. So now let's go to Adempiere and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Go ahead and open it up and sign in as system, and also make sure your role is system administrator. And now when we open this up, you're going to be able to see that I've created a window called Police Reports 2. And this window we can access right here, or we can just see or change the information in the window by going to Window tab and Field. Now in Window tab and Field, we'll want to type in a %sign to get it to show all the windows, and go ahead and check. And now if we simply scroll down to try to find police report or police emergency report, see, the scroll is very sensitive. Right here it is. And now we can go to tab and see the different tabs or the GUI objects that I've created. So here they are: emergency reports, police officers, and cruiser locations. And now if we select emergency reports like it's highlighted here, then you can see the field sequences, and now these look a little nicer than the specific things that I had to write in the SQL. So if we look at the field, you can see that you can come over here and edit any of these. So just manually type it in if you like to make it look nicer. And now let's take a look at the other tab. We have police officers. This is the sequence that I've created, and the field. I adjusted all the names to make them look nicer. And also in the cruiser locations, this is the sequence that I've done, and the fields, I have made them look nice. So now let's go to the actual window, Police Reports 2, and let's look at these tabs, or the GUI objects. These are the different tabs here, the GUI objects, and this list of 4 different data pieces. And let's see. Now you can see that these correspond with the sequence, so it's in the proper order that I told it to be in. And also you can fill in all kinds of different information by simply selecting new. And also with police officers, there are 3 different police officers that I have manually put in here already. And now with cruiser locations, I'm going to show you that even though there's no data in here, yes, you can manually input data by simply selecting new and changing your view and typing in the information right here. So yes, now we have completely established that there is a track that follows the emergency police reports, cruiser locations, police officers, and they have each one of these different aspects in the GUIs. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening.